Some like it hot indeed. Tim, what an iconic place to meet.
Good to see you, Evan. Nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you.
It's great to be here. I'm already feeling like the creative vibes of being in downtown Palm Springs.
I mean, the center of art and history and culture.
What do you enjoy most about this area?
You have music, you have festivals, you have culture, you have food. We have art.
Art meets film meets culture. It's all in Palm Springs.
You can come here and unwind. You can really make it a staycation and just be able to settle in, relax, and just recharge.
And be surrounded by this creative energy that makes you feel inclusive, invited.
We're looking forward to sharing with you our home, Skyfall House. My business partner, Rich Ting, is up there right now. Most notably came out as Bolo in Warrior in season 1. He also came out in Tulsa King 2. And then he's in a show called On Call right now. He'll be able to welcome us in when we get there.
Evan, what are you doing?
I was looking for the bathroom.
Do you randomly just go into people's houses?
Sorry, got into 011 mode there.
Evan! What's up, dude? Welcome to Skyfall. Let's take a tour.
Rich, I gotta tell you, that felt cinematic.
I believed it.
I mean, this is absolutely stunning.
I appreciate it. This is Skyfall. This is our masterpiece living room right here.
You had a vision and you executed it.
One thing that we noticed was that it combines a retro 1960s vibe with a little spice of modernization. You know, as you can see, the furniture, we have the metallic coffee table, framed television as long as the fireplace behind us. But what's really cool is that the furniture was literally taken straight out of the standard hotel from the 1960s. We have various artwork. We like to sprinkle a lot of Hollywood charm, is what we say, on our properties. You have floor-to-ceiling glass, unobstructed views. You can see everything. You can see mountains, valleys, downtown Palm Springs. You have the dry and wet bar, obviously, towards the kitchen area. You have 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, and each bedroom comes with its ensuite bathroom as well as its own individual patios.
There is a flair to the architecture here.
Built in 1963, actually, by the local renowned architect Denzel R. Starting with the circle pool, as you can see right here, as the focal point, and literally building the living space around the pool into the mountain. Attached to the pool is a hot tub. I mean, it's an oasis in an oasis. I've been a working actor in the industry for quite some time. In between these time gaps of projects, I need to get away, to reinvent, to reimagine, to recharge. All those things, this is what Skyfall provides, and we just want to share this with others.
Talk about making a big splash. The pool is like the centerpiece of the home. It's like the heartbeat.
The whole house was designed around the pool. So this has been the focal point from the beginning.
It works.
Hey, look at this guy.
Long time no see.
Gentlemen, I know it's not a martini, but shaken, not stirred.
But of course.
So what we were saying in the Taiwanese community is ganbei, which means bottoms up.
Ganbei.
Ganbei.
Until we meet again, 00, Evan. Let's book this property and let the world experience it.
Rich, Tim, the world is not enough.